In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature to your Google Docs document in a few easy steps. Whether you're signing an important contract or personalizing a note, this method will help you do it digitally without any hassle. Let's get started. First, you need to open your Google Docs document. Begin by navigating to docs.google.com in your preferred web browser. If you aren't already signed in, you'll need to log in using your Google account credentials. Once you're inside, open the document in which you'd like to insert your signature. It's worth having your document ready beforehand so everything runs smoothly from this point forward. Now let's move on to creating your signature. Google Docs has a handy feature called the drawing tool that allows you to create custom drawings, including signatures. Start by clicking on the Insert menu at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, hover over Drawing and then select Plus New. A new window will appear, and this is where the magic happens. In the drawing window, look at the toolbar and click on the Scribble tool, which looks like a squiggly line. This tool allows you to draw freely, which is perfect for signing your name. If you're using a mouse, a trackpad, or even a touchscreen device, you'll be able to draw your signature directly onto the canvas. Take your time to get it just right. After all, this is going to represent your official signature on the document. Once you're satisfied with how your signature looks, click on Save and Close. Your signature will now appear within your Google Doc. It might look a little big or not be in exactly the right spot initially, but don't worry, you can click and drag to move it to the correct position and use the corners to resize it to the perfect scale for your document. And there you have it. Your document is now signed. If you need to share or save your signed document, you have a couple of options. To share it directly from Google Docs, simply click on the Share button in the upper right corner of the screen. From here, you can send it to others via their email addresses. If you prefer to keep an offline copy or need a format that's ready for printing or emailing, downloading as a PDF is a great choice. Go to the File menu, select Download, and then choose PDF document. This will save a copy to your computer that maintains all the formatting and includes your newly added signature, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to sign a Google Doc using the built-in tools. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Feel free to go back and watch any part of this video again if you need to review the steps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.